Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you what to do when you forget the password of your Pinterest. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's open up our Pinterest app first. And after you have landed on this interface, you can see the person icon on the bottom right corner of your phone. Tap there, and after that you can see the three dotted icon on the top right corner of your phone. Just tap there, and after that you can see the settings up here over here. Just tap on the settings option, and after that you can see the account management option over here. Tap on the account management, and after that you can see the password option available over here. Tap on the change password option if you forgot it also, and if you reset it also. And if you want to reset it, you can just reset it from here. But if you forget your password, you can see the forgot password option over here. Tap on the forgot password option, and after that you can see that the Tinder has sent email to me in my email. Now let's go to our email, and after that you can see the Pinterest option over here, which is reset your password on Pinterest. And you can see the reset option available over here. Tap on the reset, and after that enter your new password, and let's log in. And you can see the success your password has been changed option. And there guys, this is how you reset your password of your Pinterest. And if you have any confusions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.